Crude oil last week has taken a sharp plunge, and in fact it has breached $64 levels before showing a smart recovery till towards close to 71, 72 zone. Now see, it has left a very long tail behind and a very small body. Also this previous week had a flat opening there. Now what to expect? Are we done with the lows and it is going to just stay in the box, or we can say a recovery from here again towards the highs, or a bearish candle again? Which probability is more? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil? What are the critical levels and what should be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the strategy and levels. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, which see the crude oil updates I share twice a day, and hence this pressing the bell icon definitely helps. Else you can be part of my free telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Let's have a look at the daily charts first. Yes, it has breached the previous lows. Previously it just shied away from 65. This time in fact it has breached below 64 levels and has shown a very good recovery. See here also on the daily charts it has shown a very big tail, and that is why we can see greener candles here. Now on the charts you will find higher lows, lower highs. Let it stay above 72 and then you can again expect 73.5, 75 levels, which is a very good resistance zone till see 73.5, 74 and 75. These three levels you should watch out for. Any move above 75 should be a very good indication that it is trying to recover strongly. Now see what it has done so far is this lower highs, and see just eliminate this noise, else you will find this is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and hence I will wait for it to stay above 75 levels for it to confirm further bullishness. Also if you look at these are the two candles, this is a reversal here, this is the first green candle, possibility of a second green candle, lower highs exist, and hence 73.5, 75 levels you should watch out for. Now this is also if you look on the daily chart, see it was trading in this box since long. On the upside again 82, 83.5 levels. This zone is again a very good resistance zone, and now it is trying to be back in the box. It has achieved lower levels. Now it may try to attempt and be back in the box here. Right now it is outside the box. Right now it is trading bearish. Yes, it has filled the gap here also and has recovered so far. Now see it is dropped here and now trying to show you the recovery. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly chart, see first of all you must note that this was a sharp plunge, and since then it is trading in this bearish channel. This time it has just fallen shy of the lows out there, which is still looking at 62, $60 levels, the next strongest support. Now look at this. You can see the rally earlier started with the base here, rise retracement, and then this is strong you can say rally there. Now it has almost seen these levels. You can see this still 62, 60 zone is something which is the next strongest support. It has come back to this zone. It has almost hit these levels and have recovered in the last week. So a plunge from here again 62, 60 levels you should watch out for. This is the next strongest support zone here. Now this is on the weekly charts. Yes, we have seen this trading bearish. Yes, you have seen this staying in the bearish channel. We have seen this achieving the lower lows. Now look at the monthly. On the monthly charts in our last analysis, we have seen higher highs, higher lows, and yes, this candle with a stronger tail always hinted a reversal. However, this time it has breached on the downside and shown a good drop. Now this is the level here at 76.5 where you should expect that any point of time in the month of May, if crude oil stays above 76.5, you can consider this as a very good tail, and in fact we can see it achieving higher highs till towards 85. Remember, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Now why do I say so? On the weekly charts again, now see this candle has come with a very small body and a very good tail on the downside. This indicates that the prices failed to stay bullish, failed to stay bearish, failed to stay on the lower levels and have recovered. This is what it has happened here, and then it has achieved higher highs before looking forward to a drop. This can happen again here, and that is why I say any move above 70 to 72.4 zone, just stay long for 73.5, 74, 75, 76.5, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Beyond 76.5 it is going to show you very good rise. In fact, in the month of May itself we may see it hitting 85 levels also. Why? This should be then the reversal, and then possibly we can see a stronger bullish move here. Preceding candle also, you should note, higher highs are seen there. But remember, till it stays in this bearish channel, at least on the monthly charts, we should be cautious and watchful. This is happening after this sharp plunge. It is trading in this bearish channel, and a reversal has to be confirmed. Once it breaks out beyond 85 levels, then you should expect $100 levels again. Now this is purely on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicator. Firstly, on the indicators part, you can see it traded outside Bollinger Band. That was extreme plunge and has shown a good recovery. The width of the Bollinger Bands have definitely expanded, and it has again fallen back within the channel itself. Now see, width of the Bollinger Bands have expanded on the downside, and yes, whenever it tries to stay below this, it tries to get a pullback. Now see, on the moving averages part, this zone here 75 to 77, 78 levels. Now see, all the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are concentrated here. The interesting part is the 20, 50 and 100 period exponential moving average crossover. This is a bearish cross. This has been trading bearish since. Now probability of a conversion, let's see if it continues. The probability of a conversion exists, and let's see if it continues to converge from here and oil crosses above this zone and stays bullish for a reversal. Right now it is bearish. Right now it is looking uh, downwards as of now. Now look at the stock. Look at the stochastic on the daily charts. See this at bottom and now sloping upwards, trying to show you recovery. It can get it back into overbought zone. See, it stayed overbought zone for days, and now it is trying to get back into that zone again. Now look at MACD. MACD on the daily charts have also achieved a bottom at minus 200. It has traded with extreme divergence. The candles have achieved the highs there. Now it is looking forward to converge. Wait for it to cross over. That should be the second wave of rise here. Now why I'm saying so, you can see this higher highs, higher lows, and hence oil reversing and trading above 76.5 should be a very clear sign that again we may see 80, 85 levels in the month of May itself. Remember, the drop is done and it can show you a very strong recovery. Also, I'll tell you one more on the thing on the monthly candles. Now see, the RSI was at bottom. It has recovered here also. Look at the weekly charts now. On the weekly charts, yes, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and have got a pullback. At the same time, if you look at the moving averages, the exponential moving averages are still in the mixed state. The 20, 50 period moving, 20 and 100 period moving averages have crossed over, 20 and 50 have crossed over. However, the 50 and 100 period crossover is still not there. Also, if you look at the simple moving average, it is trying to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. You can see there are super trend resistance. It is still exists on the weekly charts at 90, and hence these are the levels where we should be cautious and watchful of. Now weekly stochastic was overbought, and that is where we have seen a good drop. At the same time, look at the MACD. Now look at MACD after staying extremely overbought for weeks. Here it has taken a sharp plunge, and now at bottom it is trying to recover a little. However, you can see this after achieving a candle highs, now again looking forward to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over, and in fact here it is crossed over but have seen a good recovery. Now see, first crossover, second crossover, third crossover, and this time if it stays bullish, it is going to give you a very smart recovery till towards $100 levels on the week charts here. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the monthly candle. Now why do I think there is a possibility of a reversal? See, it has started on a flat note and have seen a sharp plunge. Now a flat note indicates though that yes, it is still bearish. However, any move beyond 76.5, because it is started flat, and hence a possibility of a recovery exists, and it can try to at least stay above 76.5 for the rest of the month, and once it breaks beyond that, it is going to show you more bullishness. Now see the monthly stochastic here. It was oversold. It is trying to recover, and see it stayed overbought here. Then the sharp plunge. Now the slope here is changed, and yes, it is still looking upwards and still trying to look bullish. Now look at the monthly MACD. Extremely divergent, extremely indicating that there could be furthermore bearishness. However, look at the waves here. See the bottom, the retracement, then the second bottom, then this retracement, then the third bottom. Now it is trading in this bullish channel. The MACD on the monthly charts is trading in this bullish channel. It has almost achieved the bottom. The candles have also seen the peak out here, and hence oil can any point of time, or there is a possibility that it can try to converge a little, if not crossover, and then trade with divergence. This is also something we should look forward to. But right now it has seen the peak and it should converge from here, and that is my expectation. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish as of now. So we have seen now the charts, we have seen now the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and a strategy for you for next week so that you can trade profitably. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now first let's talk about where to buy. In fact, see, first buying entry is at 71.5. Then wait for 71.8, 72 levels to be breached. In fact, 72.5. Now these zone till 72.5 is something where we should be extremely cautious and alert. Any move above 72.5, I will look forward to 74 levels directly. I will look forward to 74 level directly. This is the next resistance. Then 75.2 and 76 point, rather 76.5 levels. Now if it stays above this zone, if at any point of time it stays above this zone 75, 76.5 in the month of May, just stay long 78, 80 levels, and in fact we may see it hitting 85 levels also. Now you have already seen 80, 82.5, 82.6, and then 83.5, 85 levels are extremely stronger resistance for crude oil here, and hence these levels you should be definitely watchful of. Now this is purely on the buy side. Now where to sell, because we have already seen the bearish. I will recommend you to sell here at 70.8 levels, but then 70.2, 69.5, 69 till here you have to be cautious and alert on the downside. Now see, this zone and the levels remains extremely critical of the move there to help us decide, because below 69 again we are going to look at 67.5, 66, 65, and then below that we are going to look this time 63.5, 62 levels, if not this week, and it is going to stay bearish if it stays below 65 further. That to that 62, 60 zone is something it might try to attempt and achieve in next few weeks or few months. So it has to stay below 65 levels for sure to confirm the bearishness towards 62, 60 levels. Right now there could be a possible rise, that is my expectation. We may see it hitting 76 plus levels, and in fact it can try to trade bullish from there, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.